Here's the number one reason why people quit when they attempt to monetize their online game. Let's go. The number one reason people quit is because they shoot in the dark. They don't have a target. Imagine this. Imagine that you're at your doctor's office and you're getting ready to get a shot, an injection from the nurse. And the nurse walks in with the injection and a blindfold on. And she's going to give you an injection with the blindfold without really knowing a target, finding the right place. Guys, how many of you guys would run away? I know I would. And I am a nurse. I would run away if a nurse came in with a blindfold trying to give me an injection. I'm telling you this because you've got to have a target. You've got to have a pathway to get to online success. It isn't as simple as posting a video and you go viral and all of a sudden you're making money. That is not how it works. Not for 99.999% of us. You actually have to have a strategy behind it. And that is exactly what we teach you in our Legacy Builders program. You want to know more? You can go over to my profile or you can comment how here, and I would absolutely love to share. Take care.